Dito tayo ngayon sa East Bay Residences by Rockwell to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So let's go and check natin. So this is the unit, 33 square meters. Then pagpasok nyo, ito yung bathroom niya. May shower enclosure na rin siyang kasama. Then mirror. And then kitchen niya dito. Tapat ng bathroom. Over and under cabinets. So para siyang one bedroom. Meron siyang partition or divider. And then ito yung bedroom area niya with balcony. Facing Laguna de Bay. Ayun o, kitang-kita yung Laguna de Bay. And city view. So this is approximately or around 2.8 million. That's the regular price. Discounted price is 2.5 million for approval. This is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment and then 80% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. This is a pet friendly and then monthly dues dito is around 83 pesos per square meter. So malapit lang tayo sa Alabang, sa Slex and sa Skyway. Laki ng balcony niya oh. Then ang ganda ng view, Laguna de Bay. Overall, kailangan ng konting linis and repairs. Medyo palitin na yung yung laminated wood planks niya. Yan. Pero hindi naman ganun kagrabe. Yan. So still sale na to, below market and zonal value. At discounted price na 2.5 million. This is as is where is. So if you are interested, please message us directly.